My name's Mario Pancioni. We're here today at our VCM Suite facility here in Oxford, and we're going to do some testing on XADO products. What we've got here today, we've got 4 cars, 2 that are tested with XADO products and 2 that aren't. So what we're going to do a little bit later on, we're going to put these cars on the dyno and we're going to actually test the performance results. So now we've got the car on the dyno. We've got Jason here, our dyno operator. He's going to run a series of tests, and via this test we're going to find out if the emissions are cleaner, if the power's improved, if the torque's improved. So basically just an overall improvement with the XADO products before the additives are added to it and after. Okay, Jason and I here just sort of going through some results after the dyno test. We've got the 540 BMW here on the dyno. 1,000 kilometres prior to this test, we put the XADO products to the vehicle in the engine, the transmission and the diff. Here we have the test screen after our dyno results. The blue screen here is the BMW prior to XADO products. So at its peak power, we're making roughly around 133, close to 134 kilowatts. 1,000 kilometres later with XADO products, here we are 137.2 kilowatts at the same point. So just from a power gain, it's picked up a nice even linear power gain right through the range. Okay, what we have here is our torque graph. So what we can see here, basically at the beginning of the run, we had the car prior to the XADO products, and it was roughly making at the beginning around 155 newton meters of torque. So it's almost picked up 10 newton meters of torque right through the range, and that will be a noticeable difference in the seat of your pants. Here we have another graph here, part of our analysis here, what we call our air-fuel ratio. And basically that's measuring what's coming out the exhaust. So again, our blue line is prior to the XADO products, our yellow line is after the XADO products. And what we have here, basically after the XADO product additives, it's actually cleaned the emissions up quite considerably. So what that means in turn, in simple terms, it's cleaner emissions out the exhaust.